Okay, group. So here we're matching up our R values. Let's start with everything that's negative, and let's get those out of the way. So here is a negative one, and it is extremely strong because those lines are all on that line. So that one would correspond to -1. Here we have a negative, and we have another negative here. So if you look at our negative options, we have -0.6 and -0.1. So we want to find the ones that are closer together. And this is definitely more of a negative trend here. This one's kind of hard to tell. So we're going to say -0.1 for this one and -0.6 for this one. That's kind of a tough one. Okay, and then we're on to number 0 here. So for this one, this is the one that is very spread out, extremely spread out. And that one would be this one here. We have no indication of if it's positive or negative. And then if we look at our positives, we definitely have the strongest one, which is here. So we'd make that +1. Our next strongest looks like it would be this guy here. So that'll be our 0.9. And then we're left with these guys here. This one has a stronger trend, so this would be our 0.7, and over here would be our 0.4. Okay, 3A. 3A says, which scatter plots have the strongest relationship? The R values of -1 and 1 are definitely the strongest. And then the weakest is the one that has 0. Okay, number 4. The scatter plot below shows the relationship between the outdoor temperature in Celsius and the amount of money that's spent in ice cream at the local ice cream parlor. So here, would we say that this is strong or weak? Definitely strong because those dots are close together. And we would say it's positive because it's going up from left to right. It says draw a line of best fit. Okay, so there's a line of best fit. And then it says use your line of best fit to determine the following. How many dollars in ice cream sales does the store have when it's 20 degrees Celsius? So 20 degrees Celsius, we'd go here. And it's almost halfway between 400 and 500, which would be 450. We'll just go a little bit below that and make it 440. What's the temperature when the store makes $100 in sales? So $100 in sales, we don't really see that. It's not on our scatter plot. So here we would say below 10 degrees Celsius, right? Because it would be below 10 degrees Celsius whenever the shop makes $100.